An interesting connection was established recently between curiosity and impulsivity. Think about a teenager who is experimenting with cigarettes. They may be curious about what smoking feels like and whether it's going to elevate their social standing, but they may also be making an impulsive decision that's going to have long-term health consequences. We know that curiosity has positive connotations and impulsivity has negative connotations. These two constructs seem very different, but are they in fact closely related? In this study, we're asking the question whether curiosity and impulsivity share common mechanism. This question is driven by recent research showing curiosity and impulsivity share behavioral similarities. In both cases, people are sensitive to rewards, such as information and food. For curious individuals, learning the solution to a magic trick can be a very rewarding experience. In one study, it was found that curious participants were more likely to choose the highly rewarding junk food rather than a healthy salad. And this is the first hint that curiosity may be related to a lack of impulse control. There is also an element of time in both constructs. Both curiosity and impulsivity have been operationalized as the tendency to seek immediate gratification. Curious individuals don't like to be told, "I will tell you later." They want to know now, not later, and they are willing to pay to find out information sooner. Beyond behavioral similarities, curiosity and impulsivity may also share neural mechanisms. Both of them appear to depend on the frontal striatal circuit. These areas are thought to be involved in action selection and reward processing. These neural correlates of curiosity and impulsivity change over the lifetime. As people get older, there is brain volume loss in the frontal lobe and in the striatum. So how curious or impulsive we are may change as we get older. Research on early life development supports the idea that curiosity and impulsivity may share a common trajectory in development. Children are both highly curious and impulsive. They're famous for asking lots of questions, and they also have issues with impulse control. What is unclear is whether curiosity and impulsivity stay correlated throughout lifetime. In Hypothesis 1, we propose that curiosity and impulsivity are significantly and consistently correlated in aging. How curious or impulsive we are may change over time as the frontal and striatal regions experience structural declines, but they should change in the same direction if they are supported by the same neural mechanism. To test this, we used a publicly available dataset from the Health and Retirement Study. This dataset is longitudinal, and our variables of interest are available from 2008 to 2016. We have a sample size of more than 18,000, and participants ranged between 19 to 101 years old. Our primary variables of interest are curiosity and impulsivity. Participants were simply asked, "Please indicate how well this describes you." Curious. This was measured on a 4-point scale. Impulsivity was measured in the same way, and they were both self-reports. We also have the control variable of age and time. We used a cumulative link mix model to test Hypothesis 1. The outcome measure is curiosity, the random effects are subjects, and the fixed effects are impulsivity, age, time, and their interactions with impulsivity. We found those who were more curious were significantly more impulsive. Older age was related to slightly reduced levels of curiosity and impulsivity. Finally, impulsivity did not interact with age or time. Together, these results supported Hypothesis 1. Curiosity and impulsivity are not only significantly correlated, they also stay correlated over time and across age. This suggests that they share a common trajectory in development. A take-home message from the study is that curiosity and impulsivity are potentially two sides of a coin. It was suggested that by teaching children to be always well-behaved, we may stifle their curiosity. This is the idea that too much self-control can limit exploration. There needs to be a balance between the two. A limitation of hypothesis 1 is that self-reported measures may be biased by social desirability. Because impulsivity has bad connotations, people who are very impulsive may say they are less impulsive than they actually are. In hypothesis 2, we expect that curiosity is better predicted by delay discounting, which is a behavioral measure, than by self-reported impulsivity. Delay discounting was measured as a hypothetical choice, whether people prefer to take smaller Social Security benefits sooner or larger Social Security benefits later. To test hypothesis 2, we will use ordinal regression. The outcome measure is curiosity. In Model 1, we have self-reported impulsivity as a predictor, and in Model 2, we use delay discounting as a measure of impulsivity. Finally, we compare the two model fits to determine which model better predicts curiosity. If hypothesis 2 is confirmed, it will further strengthen the idea that curiosity and impulsivity are intimately related. The opposite connotations attached to these constructs may have obscured their relationship. We don't have time to reveal results for hypothesis 2, but if you are curious or impulsive, please feel free to reach out to us.